Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to integrate these two given examples. That means we're going to find their value of these integrals. Let's look at the very first example. So in order to integrate this one, we're going to be using this formula called integration by parts. So for that one, I'm going to say that this x I'm going to call u, and the rest of this stuff is going to be dv. So in other words, I'm going to say let u equal to x, and on the other side I'm going to say dv equal to sine of x times dx. Take the derivative on both sides, so du is going to be simply dx on this side, and on this side we want to find v. So in order to find v, I'm going to be putting integrals on both sides. So you can see over here this d and the integral, they undo each other. So we got v equal to the integral of sine is negative cosine of x. So pretty much we can now write this thing as using this formula. I can write uv minus v times du. Let's fill in the blanks. U is how much in our case is x, and v is negative cosine of x, minus once again v is negative cosine of x, and du is dx. Let's go ahead and simplify. So that could be written negative x cosine of x. See, this negative and negative becomes positive cosine of x dx. So now we're going to take care of this integral right now. So let's go ahead and finish that thing off. So it's already negative x cosine of x, and we know the integral of cosine is simply sine of x d. So plus an arbitrary constant c. And this turns out to be our answer to our first example. Now we're going to take care of our second example. Once again, we will be using integration by parts. So once again, I'm going to call this x as u, and the rest of this thing I'm going to call dv. So what that means is I'm going to say let u equal to x, and dv on the other side is cosine of x dx. So then take the derivative of u, du equals to dx. Simple. And on the right hand side we are looking for v. I want you to take the integral on both sides. So we're going to see over here d and integral, they undo each other. We got v equal to the integral of cosine is simply sine of x. So let's go ahead and take care of over here. So this could be, for integration by parts, we have to put it in this form: uv minus the integral of v du. Now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So u is x in our case, and v is sine of x, minus once again v is sine of x, times du is d of x. So this could be written as x sine of x minus, now let's take care of this part over here, the integral of sine of x. We know that this is simply negative cosine of x, and at the end we're going to put down c as an arbitrary constant. So our final answer turns out to be x sine of x, negative and negative become positive cosine of x plus c. And that is our complete answer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.